we're growing up without borders.
And today we'd like to welcome you to Bangkok!
Thailand.
Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are Growing Up Without Borders, a family of 5 on a mission to visit every country in the world.
Everywhere we go, everywhere we go, everywhere we go, the sunshine.
Today's video, we are going to bring you to the vibrant heart of Bangkok, Thailand, where the old meets the new and shopping dreams come to life.
We're going to be going to 3 different malls from the SIAM. We're going to be going to an Aquarium and Madame Tussauds, so come along. It's really easy to get here, you just take the trains.
Wow, so we got SIAM Center here, we got SIAM Paragon here. Which one do we start with? I think we're going to start with some coffee. Okay, one thing you can get either online or here on the main floor is the One SIAM tourist card. With this card, you get discounts at some of the stores, restaurants, so let's go see what we can do with it.
We are starting in the SIAM Paragon, which has all the luxurious shops, Michelin star restaurants, and an aquarium.
Let's go discover what's on the M floor.
So would you believe it, this guy Jim Thompson started this brand. It's his name, but he was an American entrepreneur, and he's the one who brought the Thai silk to the worldwide market. And since then, his silk has been in movies like King and I a lot of celebrities have worn it, and so it's like his flagship store is here in Thailand as well.
It smells so good.
Oh, these are so cool. Roll-on perfumes. They're handy for travel too. I don't know if you guys knew this, but one of our favorite foods here is, and around the world, Thai food. And we are going to Co-Limited, which is Thai street food restaurant. Look at that. You could even sit upstairs in a boat. How cool is that? So ko actually means beef, so there's lots of options and all unique dishes that we've never really tried before. This looks amazing. Look at all this food coming up.
Cheers.
So really cool, with the One SIAM tourist card you get 10% off. This is just one of their Michelin star restaurants here. We're gonna try some Thai coconut dessert. So Thai coconut ball I think is the winner. All right, let's try it.
Not sure if I'm gonna like it, but we're gonna give it a go. It might be really good, who knows? We even have little gold flakes on it.
Give it a little, it's like coconut.
They're blue and green balls. So
Yeah, I'm gonna
let's
try
give it-
blue.
Oh, wait, it's hard in the middle. I
Is it
can't
like
pick it up.
beef? Wait, ready?
What is it?
Oh, okay. You can chew it, don't worry.
Well,
Very unique. Okay, so it's quite good because and the inside is nice and crispy, almost like a honey texture. And then the coconut
Tastes
on the
like a
outside.
candle.
No. The blue ones aren't bad. I would eat them.
Here we go. Oh, the inside's kind of brown. Not my favorite.
No,
It's not so bad. With the coconut around it, it's actually not so bad. This is a big, huge area where you can get all sorts of food, like unbelievable. I'm just reading some of the benefits that you get with your one SIAM tourist card. You can get up to 30% off actually at some of the stores, and you can get up to 6% off refund on your taxes when you leave. You also get free Wi-Fi, so it's worth getting. Okay, so when you come, basically you go online and you see all the different stores that are participating. Then you gather all your receipts, bring your passport to this counter, and they give you either 800 or 1,000 depending, but you spend basically 20,000 baht and you get 800 back. Thank you. Cool. Who doesn't like a good deal? I just got 200 baht voucher. Nice. Thank you.
Our next stop is to Sealife. It's Thailand's largest aquarium. Let's go.
Watch till the end because you might meet some celebrities.
Okay, so pricing to come in is 1,390 for adults. That gives you Madame Tussauds and the Sealife. And for children, it's about 1,200.
It's like the size of your head.
This place is massive. Not only is there like the aquarium, there's this whole like rainforest kind of area. There's penguins. We're gonna go see shark feeding. What?
See, look at that.
There's some pretty big creatures that live in our ocean.
That's so cool. Then you've got the stingray. He's always swimming with the fish with him. It's so pretty.
Oh my god, it's like
This is called the Living Wall, and this is Thailand's tropical plants that you'd find here.
Those iguanas, they look like they have like beautiful gold laced all over them. Like
Yeah,
their
like
colors.
sprinkled on them.
Isn't that cool?
It is really cool. Those two look like muffins.
They have this glass bottom boat that you can go in, and you go into the aquarium and you can feed the fish.
look at all the different areas there are. So, mall number 2, SIAM Center, the first shopping mall in Thailand. We're about to go see what the Thai fashion is like from local Thai designers.
So far, every SIAM building has a different vibe and style to it. This one's a little bit more trendy and more for the youth, and there's lots of sports stores, which I love.
Let's go. Iconic. Let's go to the iconic. Angelique, maybe you're going to find your bathing suit in here. Oh, look at the cool... No, they do have bathing suits in here. I think, or maybe that was next door.
So unique. I've
Look
never
at
seen
that.
anything like this before.
Wow.
This is definitely...
Look at their styles. Look at that. What?
Look at this one. The long sleeves.
Whoa.
Unpredictable.
Very unpredictable.
And yeah, like look at it. It's like everything and anything goes.
And if you have the one SIAM tourist card, this store here, they give you the 10%. So you get something funky like this. No, actually, Julia, I can see you wearing this one. Like, check that out.
Is it a skirt?
Not my style.
Well, that was really fun to see. Yeah, we are on the hunt for a bathing suit. Oh, look at this style.
That is so cool. Oh, this is actually cute. Look at this.
Next up, Wonder Room.
Oh, let's go check out bathing suits again.
Totally the 50s. Look at that. That's so cute.
Oh, it's like a little box.
I've surprisingly never seen this. This is a jean crop top. And it's got like this.
This is so fluffy. I love this. It's like winter coat, but it's your bag.
Winter.
It's like
Beach bag
amazing.
for winter. It looks like a beach bag, but for winter.
Well, it's just also unique. Every single thing is a unique
Different.
piece.
It's
So
one meets all.
Yeah.
You'll only find it once.
yeah, you only find one.
We then went into the Absolute SIAM store and it had some of the funkiest clothes we've ever seen.
Jeans. Whoa. Oh yeah. You can get like a British jacket like right here. Look at these pockets. Oh wait, they're hearts. Park the. Then what does he think?
Somebody take a picture.
They suit me. Next stop is to the SIAM Discovery, which is connected by this really cool sky bridge. Inside here, you will find European and Japanese different stores. You also find what's something really cool, Icon Craft, which is all the Thai designers.
It brings you back to Japan. You feel like with all the capture toys here, it's like we're back.
Check that out. They have Street Lab, His Lab, Her Lab, Play Lab, Creative Lab, and Digital Lab.
Inside, they had this whole exhibition on climate change, and it was great because at the time I was doing a science project, which was great to have all the information there.
The girls are stunned because we just found a Korean ramen noodle pop-up store. This is such a cool mall. It has such a unique feel. I can't believe how different each and every mall is. It's really nice. What I love so much is that it's not like, you know, the traditional malls that you go in and you have like a square so you know exactly where to go. These ones are also unique and they're all like mazes. So I feel like, I guess the best comparison would be like IKEA, where you're walking through IKEA and you're trying to like find all the different like ways. It's like a maze and you're discovering all the different things and the different little nooks and crannies. That's exactly what we're doing.
When we were in Seoul, Korea, we saw Jimin from BTS, and now we are here in Bangkok, and there's a BTS pop-up store because it's their 10th year anniversary as a group.
Oh, let's go see it.
The first thing we saw was all the BTS characters in a cartoon format.
SIAM Discovery is the Korean trend leader in all of Southeast Asia, and they always have these fresh new exhibits that they pop up.
Who would have thought there was a BTS store here in the SIAM Discovery with older merch and everything?
Pop-up store.
Pop-up store. They have a Madame Tussauds inside SIAM Discovery here in Bangkok.
These things are fun because even though we sometimes don't get to meet these celebrities, you can still pretend. That would scare the living daylights out of me. It's Princess Diana. It's Putin. They're really tall. I mean, she's in heels, but still. Hi.
This zone here is all the world leaders. Like this guy. Doesn't he look so real?
Pablo Picasso.
What do you think of that? I think that EMC squared, you know, like, it's Mark Zuckerberg. Beethoven. It's okay. Why?
I've never seen Beethoven like represented before.
I can't. Oh!
Look at us, you got cricket, weightlifting, boxing, basketball, you've got it all here.
forever, and so does me. We say we
Classic openings, ready?
We've got Madonna and Lady Gaga there.
say we love, we say.
I've got my Grammys.
Well, Brad, what do you say? You ready to go out tonight?
I thought I'd give it a try and pretend I'm a mannequin and see if people actually believed it, and it worked. That's how real these mannequins are.
That was such a fun experience to go see all those celebrities at the Madame Tussauds. And I think what surprised me the most was how tall some of these like famous people are. I couldn't believe it. I feel so short now. Our next stop is to Icon Craft. These are all Thai designers and just like really unique gift ideas that you can get. Like this cute purse here and all different kinds of stuff. So let's go see what they have. Look at this. Hand creams, body moisturizers. Oh, that's nice. It smells good. Nice. Look at this.
Oh my gosh, it's so funky.
This store is so unique and it has so many cool different gift ideas, like so many neat things to see.
This, but then you can like fold like anything.
You put this like this in your purse.
Oh, that's
And you put a hat that's a
cap.
Look at
This
this.
is all Thai. Look at durian, coconut, Thai, coffee,
Whoa.
bullet chili, peanut masala.
Masaman,
No
Masaman
way.
peanut curry dark chocolate.
What in the world? This is getting me ready for Christmas. Peppermint cookie crunch.
So we bought some chocolate and essential oils.
I just want to say my 2 cents on the Madame Tussauds up above. It was amazing. I couldn't believe how big it was, and to see all those different celebrities and leaders, it was just really fascinating and really cool.
Next store we went to discover was Ecotopia.
Let's see what's in this store. Oh, like all reused and eco-friendly and for the environment. I think I'm gonna like this store. Check this out, more roll-ons. They have them everywhere. It's all like natural makeups and stuff. Ooh, they have all natural skincare.
You get lip screen.
Very cool.
So our last stop is to the Objects of Desire store, where you can buy lots of different things, and if you have the one CM Tours card, you get 10%. So it's so cool. Everywhere you go, you can save money with it.
What's cool is the OBS store, all these products, Objects of Desire, have either received awards or something that makes them like popular here. So
I want to have a murder mystery party. I should buy a happy birthday one and see all the stamps, and then in the future you can also use it for other things.
these are so cool.
Wouldn't that be fun though?
My parents used to sell this at their store.
I would love this.
Ooh, that one smells nice.
We found all these cool travel size products and refillables.
I found myself a bathing suit today. Thinking of the whole recap of today, we went to a folk aquarium, to Madame Tussauds, 3 different malls. It was just crazy busy.
So this is the IMAX here, and they have a whole setup for, I guess, Indiana Jones. And wow, it's just massive. Too bad we weren't going to see a movie tonight. We're going home. We're still out. It's like 9 at night and we're still out shopping. Imagine that. Oh, it's been a long day.
And that concludes a full day of shopping here in Bangkok.
We did over 10,000 steps.
Comment below which mall was your favorite.
I'm going to bed. Good night.
Bye.